This video is for the girls that don't know how to do their hair but want to learn how to do their hair. So if you're one of them, I'm one of them too, and we could learn together. She ain't that bad. She ain't ugly, but I ain't gonna say she cute. Hey everybody, it's me, your consistent queen, because I'm posting twice a week, every month. Well, first let's just say February. I don't want to lie, but yeah. Luca! Freaking lobster boy. Knocking stuff down. Oh, he looks so cute. He doesn't even let me hold him, but he's letting me hold him right now. He's about to run soon. I can feel it. The thumb. Ah! Oh my god, he actually just scratched the fuck out of my lip. But anyways, oh my god, am I gonna bleed? I think I'm bleeding. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Take off your coat, stay, okay? Click that subscribe. Oh my gosh. Look at this dude. Look at him. Luca, come on. If you are returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Make sure you're active. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. And if you're new, make sure you're following me on Instagram too. But if you're an OG, if you're returning, you should already be following me, okay? And you should be active, checking out my other videos. And yeah, leave a comment. I'm gonna be twisting my hair. A lot of the videos that I see, their hair ends up turning out like passion twists, and that's what I'm going for. But I don't want to say that I'm gonna do passion twists, because if they don't turn out like that, I'm gonna be embarrassed. Luca, don't do it. He's gonna keep distracting me, so I'm gonna pretend like he's not here. Today I will be using this shampoo. I usually use the whole As I Am line, but since I've used it so much, it's not giving the same effect. And I haven't used Shea Moisture in a long time, so I was like, let me hop back in that wave real quick. I'll be taking this. I used to use this all the time, going back to it. I can't get enough of As I Am. I gotta include it somehow. I'll be using, what is this? What is this? A leave-in conditioner, and then I'll be using the enhancing smoothie. When people do this, their hair is soaking wet, so I actually might not be using all those products, but I will be back with washed hair. My hair honestly doesn't even need to be washed, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna dry my hair out for y'all. I am out of the shower. My hair dried up a little bit. My hair is like a freaking sponge, like. But yeah, so like I said, when I seen people doing this, their hair was soaking. So I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit more. I'm going to take the enhancing smoothie and the leave-in conditioner. I also like to put this biotin spray in my hair, so I'm gonna do that. And then when I'm working on the twist individually, I will take the gel and some mousse. So yeah, I'm gonna do my regular moisturizing routine, and I'm gonna speed it up, and I'm gonna watch some YouTube while I'm doing it. So if you see me looking over here, it's because your girl's watching YouTube. Let me pick out a video. I think I'm gonna watch some Choice TV. I love Choice TV. So my battery is about to die. I'm gonna change that, and then I'm going to start the twist. Alrighty, so I'm watching this video because I really like how this girl parted her hair. So I'm gonna try to part my. Ooh, ooh! Look at me. Okay, anyways, trying to figure out how the hell she parted it. Let me give this girl some credit. Some mother effing credit.
I think the last time I did these, I natural hair, no extensions. You can manipulate it.
So I'm trying to part it that way. I don't do my hair like that, so it's kind of tricky to figure it out. Let me go ask my brother real quick. I put the gel in. Hopefully it's still moist enough. And now I am twisting it. I'm doing this pretty tight. And it's fine that it looks like this. It's gonna dry eventually. And I see a lot of people twisting their ends. Okay, this is how the first one looks. And how do I feel about it? I think I'd have to see more to really, to really feel it. Okay, I'm not mad at the link. Not mad. I think I'm gonna do this one more time, a little bit tighter. And yeah, I'm just gonna do this to the whole part of my head that's parted. And once I get to the side where I want to make it look a little cute, then I will slow it down. So yeah, just watch your girl twist her hair and watch Choice TV.
It was coming from, but when they
Alright, so I'm not really feeling them, but let's work. Oh god, let's work on the front part. Let me check out the video so I know exactly how to part it. Alright, so I parted my hair because this is always how I part it. Like when I do my ponytails, I always part it on this side. And I set up the camera by my mirror so I can see it a little better. But this is what I'm going to do. I gotta look in the mirror, you guys. I'll just show you once I'm done with this part. Alright, I'm back. I'm better. I don't have jam, but I do have beeswax and gel. So I'm gonna combine them. She did 2, but the way that my twists are kind of big, I'm gonna see how 1 looks. If 1 doesn't look good, I will do 2. I already have the gel and the mousse in my hair. So we're gonna do these edges. See that? And I'm about to do my swoop. Gotta look in the mirror, guys. Wish you could enjoy this swoop with me, but you gotta get it right. Oh, okay. So I see why she did it, because this swoop is kind of big. But we're still gonna go for it. We are still gonna go for it. I'm just perfecting this swoop in the mirror. I'm satisfied. Nothing crazy, but it looks good. So twisting it. You know what? This girl, you know what? This video is for the girls that don't know how to do their hair but want to learn how to do their hair. So if you're one of them, I'm one of them too, and we could learn together. Now The rest I will be doing into 2. Like, let me show you. Part it. Part it, and then I'm gonna do another part. Let me just make the parts right now so I can see how big I want them to be. I want them to be kind of even, so let's try to do that right now. This, pretty even. I think the middle one's a little thicker. The girls that do hair are looking at me crazy right now. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying. I'm gonna figure this out, guys. I'll be back. I'm on the last 2 on this side. So far, I'm still not impressed. I just gotta see the final product. I don't know. I want to fix this, but I just want to see how this is gonna turn out. Now, she did flat twist. I don't know how to do those, so that means back to YouTube, BRB. What I got from it, it pretty much looked like French braiding, but twist, like adding hair. So let me put the gel. I don't fucking know if I'm supposed to be doing this, but this is what I'm doing. This is for the girls that don't know how to do hair, that are trying to learn. So maybe we'll learn from my mistakes. Hopefully this is not a mistake though. Let me get my brush. So I guess we'll just do 2. We'll start from the bottom. Alright guys, my first attempt on a 2-strand twist. Yo, let me just see what it looks like if I twist it normal. Cause I don't know if I got it like that. How bad would a regular twist look? Cause I don't know if I'm on that level yet. She ain't that bad. She ain't ugly, but I ain't gonna say she cute. Okay, so if I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna have to get it a little bit closer instead of behind my ear. I'll just have to do it closer and then I can move it behind my ear. Hopefully, let's see. I'm gonna have to leave a little bit of hair out, it looks like. So, this is how it turned out. This is how it turned out, guys. Let me put some cute clips on it real quick. I'll be back. And this is the final result. Final result. I'm impressed. I know that I could do better, but this was my first time and I think I did pretty good. I'm gonna wear my hair like this. Hopefully I can. Today's Monday. Today's Monday. Hopefully I won't have to take my hair out until like Friday. But yes guys, I hope you enjoyed. Maybe you'll try this. If you guys want to leave some tips in the comments, I would really appreciate that. But yeah, this is all for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and follow my IG. Bye. My IG will be right here. Follow me there. Yeah, bye.